In 2011, a French father committed the perfect family murder and vanished without a trace. Xavier Dupont de Ligonnès had been planning for months. He bought lime and shovels weeks in advance, wrote fake letters explaining his family would suddenly disappear into witness protection. He even told neighbours they were moving for his wife's new job. On a quiet April night, he methodically shot his wife and 4 children while they slept. Then he buried all 5 bodies under his home's terrace. Xavier mailed the fake letters and disappeared. For weeks, everyone believed the family was safe in hiding. Friends got messages saying they were doing well. The school received transfer requests. By the time police discovered the bodies, Xavier had a massive head start. Interpol issued red notices. International manhunts swept across continents. False sightings came from everywhere. But over a decade later, investigators are still baffled. Xavier Dupont de Ligonnès remains one of Europe's most wanted fugitives, the man who planned the perfect murder and pulled off the perfect disappearance.